There's a lot of great things about the Turnberry Ocean Club building. I love the fact that it's a boutique skyscraper. So, I mean, it's 54 stories. It only has about 150 units. This lavish unit boasts 3,110 interior square feet, 10-foot high ceilings, modern Scandero kitchens with Gaggenau appliances. The unit's been fully decked out by Habitus.
My favorite thing about Unit 3403 is the views. It's a flow-through unit. You have sunrise. It's tremendous to take a look at night, and it just breathes. What I love about this project is that it boasts over 70,000 square feet of amenities. There's not a building in all of Sunny Isles that has anything comparable to this building.